Let us now see how you can schedule a meeting. You can schedule a conference or you can schedule a webinar. So I'm just logging in and this is my username and the password. So now I can schedule a new meeting, and this shows me the list of already scheduled meeting. So if I conduct new meeting, so I have two options of conference as well as webinar. So let's conduct a webinar. So the title of the meeting is Work from Home Concept, and the room name is date. I'm gonna conduct, okay, so it has to be of 4 characters minimum, and I selected the date of today. So it will also tell me that whether the meeting room that I have selected is available or not. If it is already taken by someone else, so you won't be able to conduct this room name. So, and for today I have scheduled my webinar for, let's say, at 4:35, and I'll save it. The meeting has been scheduled. Now you can have the panelist that you want. So I want one of them to be with me. So let's say I have put in the name and I have set in the email ID. This is the code. So they can simply put in this code and join the meeting. So now I add the panelist. So one panelist is added. If I want to add more, I can have more, and the detail will be shared over here. So now I can copy and share. So this is to copy and share the invitation. So all the details would be over here and I can copy it. So it is copied. If I want to share, I can share, or you can simply send them. Now I simply cancel it and now I conduct it. So now the meeting room was from home and I started. So whosoever will join this particular webinar will be able to attend this meeting. So meeting has been scheduled by Mahima. So I simply log in with Mahima. So I have scheduled a webinar on your behalf. I can do it. I can simply share the credentials from which I have created the webinar, and with the help of those credentials you can conduct this particular webinar. Now this webinar goes on and I will be able to see the people who have joined this webinar. So currently there is no one in the webinar, but people are joining in the webinar. So as soon as they join in, I'll be able to see. So I have one more participant with me, and I have one more participant with me. Similarly, all the people who are attending this webinar will be only able to listen me. They won't be able to speak something or share their video. So they won't be able to have their audio or the video. Only the person who is conducting the webinar, the host of the webinar, will only be able to give an audio as well as a video voice. Thank you. If you want to give in the ratings, you can give in the ratings, any suggestions that you want to have, so that their quality team can assist you. If you want to have, so you submit it. You have any suggestions, you can have the suggestions as well.